Hey friends, I get this question all the time. How do I place a LifeWave order as a brand partner? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly where to log in, where to click, how to order patches, how to order maintenance kits, where your upgrades are if you want to use those as an option, and how to make sure you're getting the best pricing possible. So let's jump in. So if you're a brand partner, you're not going to want to order from your replicated website, which is going to look like this, but it's going to have your information up here. This is a website that you would send to people who may be interested in ordering the product and you get a referral bonus. No, you're not going to log in here. You're going to go to your back office, and that is backoffice.lifewave.com. And when you go there, you're going to see a screen that looks like this, and it's going to have a place for your username and your password. And if you can't remember what it is, just click these little buttons down here and go through the process, and you can reset it if you need to, because if you're like me, you might lose those things. I understand. But once you log in, this is what you're going to see. This is your dashboard, and everything that you need for ordering is under this tab called Store. When you click on Store, you're going to see all your products, patches, maintenance kits, upgrade kits, and that's where we're going to be working today. So if you click on patches right here, now here's something really important about pricing that I want you to understand. One pack of the regular patches, and when I say regular patches, I'm talking about any other patch than the X39 or X49. These two have their own pricing. Everything else has a lower price. So any one pack of regular patches, like the Silent Nights or Eon, for instance, is $69.95. But if you order two at a time, they drop down to being $59.95 each. And if you order three or more, they drop down to being $49.95. Or if you're like, hey, I know I'm going to want a pack of these every month for the next 3 months, you're going to automatically be at that best bulk tier pricing when you order three or more of those regular patches. And you'll save on shipping because you don't have to have them sent to you every single month and pay that additional shipping fee. So you're saving there as well. And you're going to see this price here, if you do quantity of three, will adjust and reflect in your cart. So you're just going to click on how many you want, add it to cart, and then if you're done, go ahead and click on your cart and check out, go through that process. If not, you can just simply go back and add other items to your cart until you're satisfied and you're done and you have everything that you want to order. So that's how you're going to order patches. Just if you decide you want a pack of this or that or whatever, you can do it that way. So let's talk about maintenance kits. A lot of people order this one pack at a time, every month, and they don't realize how much money they're actually spending on shipping and how much they could be saving. So if you're using multiple patches, if you are a couple and you're using them, if you're building the business and you just want to have some on hand for possibly being able to sell to somebody who wants to come to you and say, hey, can I just buy a pack from you? You'll have a little bit of access. Or if you just don't want to reorder every 30 days and be on an auto ship all the time, you just want to do it maybe twice a year, you can order maintenance kits. These are fantastic. And the maintenance kits can drop your price per pack down even further and save you from paying shipping every single month. They're genius, especially with the X39, X49. The maintenance packs lower your per sleeve price below even regular wholesale. So if you're already committed to using them consistently, it just makes a lot of sense to at least look at the math and see if a maintenance kit option is for you. Let me show you how to order those. Under the Store tab, you're going to click on Maintenance Kits. For ordering regular patches, which again are anything that are not X39 or 49, you're going to see these two top options, Dynamic Maintenance Pack 1 and 2. And when you click on them, it's going to tell you everything that you need to know about what's inside of that maintenance kit. So Maintenance Pack number 1 is going to give you 7 regular patch packs for $349.75. When you break that down, that's about $49.96 per pack. So it's basically the best bulk price tier just bundled together. So maintenance pack number 2 gives you 14 packs of the regular patches, which you can mix and match. You don't have to just choose one and get 14 packs of those. You can get 14 packs of an assortment of their regular patches for $699.50, which is the same pack pricing, but just double the quantity. And here's another benefit. These maintenance kits qualify you for 6 months without needing to actually reorder monthly. So you're not placing those separate orders every single month, paying that shipping repeatedly. It's just cleaner. It's just easier. It's what my family does. And now I want to show you these LifeWave X39, X49 maintenance packs. This 3-month pack right here, if you click on it, it's going to tell you again, every pack, if you just click on it, it'll open up. It's going to tell you you're going to get 3 sleeves of X39 or 49 or a combination of the two. This 3-month pack is $269.85. So that breaks down to be about $89.95 a sleeve, which is great instead of the $99.95 that you would normally pay at wholesale price. You also have the option of picking pack number 2. This is a 6-month pack with 7 sleeves in it. And it's a 6-month pack because, again, it gives you this if you're building a business, if you're actually pursuing this as an income stream and you're referring others and you're gaining commissions, you may be interested in having this information. This 77 BV just means that you're going to be qualified for the next 6 months. So for every month, you're going to have 77 bonus volume points. That's all that means. For the next 6 months, you're qualified in your binary. But you're going to get 7 sleeves of the X39, X49, any combination thereof for $599.95, which drops the price down even a little bit more to $85 a sleeve. And then your last option, and the best option, I think, is this third kit that you can do, the X3949. Price-wise and everything, this is exactly what my family orders because we're a couple. So this larger 6-month pack, it has 9 sleeves in it. And again, you can mix and match it. So this pack is $749.50, which is going to drop your price down even further, and the best pricing that you can possibly get, and that's $83 per sleeve. So the larger the pack, the lower your per sleeve cost is going to be. So this option is especially great for couples like my husband and I, or business builders like my husband and I, or anyone who just wants to have that extra inventory on hand. And definitely for anybody who just wants the best price that you can possibly get. Another great way to save that is a one-time opportunity is something called an upgrade kit. So I'm going to show you how they work and how you can take advantage of them if they're an option for you as a brand partner. So you're going to just go back to your store tab here, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see upgrade kits. If you have an upgrade kit option available to you, you will see this tab right here. If you do not have an upgrade available to you, say you came in at the highest enrollment kit that you could, you're not going to see this option here, okay? So if you came in at the core, you will see this. If you came at the advanced, you will see this. So you're just going to click on upgrade kits right here. It's going to just prompt you that you're moving on to that page. You'll click continue and you'll see what is available to you in order to upgrade. So this is just an account that just so happens to have 2 options available for upgrading. And I want to explain to you how upgrading works. If you started at the core kit and you came in and you bought that lowest enrollment pack that you could, enrollment packs are great because they give you the best pricing. You are going to have that option to upgrade to the advanced or the premium. So if you started at the advanced, you're going to have the option to just upgrade to the premium. So say you enrolled at the core pack. That is $295. That's the lower tier enrollment pack that you can get when you join. You're going to have spent $295. You're going to have gotten 3 packs of X39 if that's what you ordered, but you'll see here that this advanced kit is $535. And you came in at $295. So if you upgrade, you're going to see over here that the advanced upgrade price is only $475 versus $535. Why is that? Because you're only going to pay the difference between the core and the advanced. You already paid this $295. You're not going to have to pay that $295 again to get the advanced. You're just going to pay the difference between the kits that you want to upgrade to, and then you will get the difference in product. So it's a really great option for those who are just trying to come in at what they can afford to come in, or just maybe even giving it a try for 90 days at the core pack. And then later on, they want to enroll at some of those larger packages that you can only do one time. After you do it once, you can't do it anymore because the savings is going to be greater on the enrollment kits. So there's no time limit to upgrade. You can upgrade these kits anytime that you want to, or again, you can just order maintenance kits. But these are really great options for those of you who are looking to save money, who maybe just needs to come in at the smaller tier, maybe the core, and try it for 90 days. Maybe that's just what you could afford at the time. And then you wanted to come in and kind of stair step your way up. That is great. That is exactly what my husband and I did. We came in at the lowest package we could possibly get because we were just giving it a try. We still weren't sure. And then suddenly within a week or so, we had decided we're all in. This is fantastic, best thing we ever found. And we upgraded to the premium straight from the lowest tier package because sometimes you just aren't sure, and that's okay. And when you order these kits, you don't have to continue ordering them every month. This is just a one-time thing. So say you came in at the core pack, that doesn't mean that you're going to have to spend $295 a month every month. You can just get one pack of X39 patches every month or Eon or whatever it is you're going to order. You don't have to continue ordering that kit every single month. So I really want to clear that up because a lot of people get confused there as well. If you decide you want to upgrade, you just click on select whichever upgrade kit you want to do. And then you're just going to simply add the patches that you want to your order. So what you're going to do is click on patches, this little plus sign here. And I'm using a desktop, so I don't know if this looks different on the phone, but you're just going to click what patches you want to add to your order. So for me, maybe I'm going to click and add carnosine. Maybe I'm going to get the Eon and I'm going to order X39, maybe 2 packs of those. See down here how this is changing. It's orange. You're just going to keep adding packs of patches to this order until that bar gets all the way to green. So there we go. You see it's green. That means you've ordered enough patches to fill a gap between the kit that you ordered initially and this kit that you're ordering now. And you can mix and match them. And this is how you do that. And you'll see that I've ordered 2 of X39, 2 X49, 2 Eon, and a carnosine. That's a great deal for the price that I just showed you. And then you're just going to continue. So just to clarify, if you're a brand partner, you're not going to order through your replicated website. You are going to order through your back office, and you're going to get wholesale pricing through your back office, just like you would get as a preferred customer, but you're going to have a lot more flexibility, a lot more options, and you're going to be able to save even more than getting wholesale as a brand partner in the back office. If you have any questions, please just feel free to leave those down in the comments. If you're already enrolled as a brand partner or preferred customer under another sponsor, your enrolling sponsor is the best point of contact for account specific help. So go ahead and reach out to them instead of me, unless I'm your direct sponsor. And if you're not currently working with someone, I'd love to help you in choosing the right option for you. My enrollment link is right here below this video. That link will help you order directly. You can join as a brand partner there, and you can also find information to contact me directly, and I can walk you through this process. So I hope this clears up some things and makes ordering just a little bit simpler.